Hello everyone. Today we have got this Lenovo K3 Bluetooth speaker on our repair table. All the screws are already removed, and when we open it, every wire inside was disconnected. So we checked everything with a multimeter. The speaker unit is good, but the 18650 battery is dead. Then we temporarily connected another lithium-ion battery. This one pressed the power button, and guess what? The LED started flashing. That means our Lenovo K3 still has a chance to live again. Let's fix it up and see if we can get the sound back. I am going to use this battery in here. Let's remove this original battery from the system. Yes, the negative wire is still connected to the board. No, what a mess. The wire is not single piece. Someone repair it once. So I'm going to replace this power cable too. Remove this board from the system. Yes. Here is the board. Now we need our soldering iron. This is our input voltage cable, charging input. The negative soldering joint was not good and it's disconnected easily. So we are going to solder it again, and we need to solder our battery with a new wire. Here is our soldering iron. Iron tip is clean, and let's tin it first, then clean the board, solder it. Nice. Solder this positive side too, because the cable length. Let's see, is it okay or not? First power button. Yes, it works. Now I'm going to use this cable for our battery connection. First, clean this broken wire, put a blob of solder connection, then strip this wire a little bit in the wire, then battery. Positive, battery, negative. Fantastic. Here is our battery. Again, strip some wire. This one is battery plus. Go in here. Our wire positive side is connected, and here is the negative connection. Nice. Now see, is it work or not? Power button. Yes, it worked. Press it again and up. And now here is our speaker, and here is our speaker cable. Speaker connected. Now try to power it on again. Nice. We hear a sound. The speaker is power on. I can see a Bluetooth speaker from my laptop. Anything plus K3. Let's try to connect it. Yes, it is connected. You also hear the connected sound. And here is some button. I don't know which one, but let's play something from my laptop. And for testing purpose, I'll play some NCS music. Without the case, the sound is horrible. Yes, it works. It can play, and I can pause this music from the speaker from here. Let's assemble this speaker now. Power off, and we have to insulate our battery first. Let's assemble this thing again. Disconnect the board from this board holder, and here is the power button. Here we go. Nice. Battery will go here. Then our speaker. We have to make sure that our speaker is in its place, and we need some both side tape for keep this speaker stable. Now, oh no, this thing is disconnected. We have to make another solder joint in here, and with this tweezer, hold it here, and soldering done. Nice. So now, okay, we do another thing. The screws are stuck in this hole. Let's open this thing, unscrew them. This screw is faulty. The screwdriver cannot hold it. Finally, the screw is removed, but as you can see, the screw is damaged. So we need a replacement screw. No, it's not. Okay, we found our replacement. Everything aligned. We can screw it. Second one, third one. Try to power it on. Yes. And here is the cover thing. Fantastic. Try and see us again. button are working too. And that's it. After replacing the battery and soldering all the wires properly, our Lenovo K3 Bluetooth speaker is back to life and working perfectly again. All the buttons are responding nicely and the sound quality is just great. Thanks a lot for watching and staying with me till the end. If you enjoyed this repair, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome DIY and electronics repair videos. See you in the next one. Keep fixing, keep learning.